In this quick video, I'm doing a product comparison today of two plant-based protein shakes. We're going to talk about the pros, the cons, the ingredients, some money-saving tips, and an alternative recipe to make your own protein shake. And my channel is Stay Body Positive. I'm a healthy living enthusiast, love to retrain others how to become healthy, stay healthy and fit, body, mind, and spirit. So let's jump right in. Both of these contain plant-based protein powder, and both are gluten-free, both are dairy-free, soy-free, and non-GMO. They both do contain stevia as their sweetener, and they both contain something that I'm not a fan of, and that is maltodextrin. Maltodextrin can increase the glycemic index, increasing blood sugars. It is used as a thickener, a filler, a preservative, a starch. It's made from corn, rice, potato, or wheat. It's highly processed, and there are other healthier choices when it comes to using this product. I'm going to link up some information below so you guys can also do your own research on some of the ingredients I'm going to be talking about. Burt's Bees has the organic pea protein in it. It has the spinach powder in it, the broccoli, the carrots, beets, tomatoes, some other fruits and berries. It has shiitake mushroom in it, and it has monk fruit extract, which I am a fan of. You guys may have heard me talk about monk fruit as an alternative sweetener, especially if you're on the keto diet. Before we jump into our comparison product, if you'd like to see more videos like this and find the information useful, click the card at the top of the screen and make your selection. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Now let's talk about the Vitamin Shoppe. And this is Vitamin Shoppe's plant protein pack, and this one is actually made probably to target more towards the workout, so because it does have an amino acid in it in the form of glycine. It is nut free, so that's great for those people that have allergies. It does have the pea protein. It also has cranberry seed, chia seed. It contains a digestive enzyme to help with gut health, something in it called inulin, which is a plant fiber, and inulin is digested by the lower gut, and it is converted into short chain fatty acids and can help improve or give additional health benefits. So it does contain something I'm not a fan of. Again, another filler. This is xanthium gum. This is an additive, a polysaccharide. It's a thickening agent or a stabilizer, helps prevent separation. Not enough research has been done on this to determine if it's healthy for people that are pregnant or breastfeeding. So there is a cautionary statement on the back of the packet about consuming it if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. It contains silica, which is a mineral, and that is also used as a filler to prevent separation. Xanthium gum has been shown to have, to give you kind of flu-like symptoms, gas and bloating, so it's not something that I'm really a fan of. Let's talk about money-saving tips. So you can certainly order these online and set up auto order, and that will decrease your price. So subscribe to Burt's Bees letters and also to Vitamin Shoppe, and you will get money-saving coupons, discounts, and notifications when items go on sale. Now we're going to talk about what I make for my protein shake. So I keep it pretty simple. I like to take just a cup of organic milk, and a cup of organic milk will have 8 grams of protein in it. And then coupled with a scoop of the vital proteins, which you guys have heard me talk about, added to it, that also gives it another 9 grams of protein. So you've got close to the same amount of grams in protein as you do in either one of these products. I put a tablespoon of the coconut oil in it, and the coconut oil is going to give me the medium chain amino acids, and it's great for boosting energy. It helps aid in building muscle, it suppresses hunger, it can improve endurance, and it aids in weight loss, and it builds and boosts the immune system. So that's what I put in my protein shake. I sweeten it with a little bit of the monk fruit extract, and I also use cocoa powder to give it the chocolate flavor. So that's how I make my own, and I'll put that in the ingredients below. I don't think I mentioned the protein amount in these two, so let's talk about that real quick. The protein in the Burt's Bees is 15 grams of protein. In the Vitamin Shoppe one, it's 18 grams of protein, 1 gram of fiber here, 3 grams of fiber here, and 110 calories in Burt's Bees versus 120 calories in the Vitamin Shoppe plant protein pack. And stay body positive. I'm Penny Morgan.